Hello and welcome to DailyAKI. I'm Akiyuki, and let's do something completely new on the channel today. Something I haven't really done before, and I hope to do more because I have more incoming. I actually got a box from Accurascale. I hope I pronounced it right because I'm totally into model trains these days. So it's a Class 37. I just got it in, so it's really fresh. And let's do an unboxing video because why not? Because my friends want to see it, basically. All right, so it's a fairly big box. If you haven't noticed, oh, that's my mic. I should probably not touch that thing. And there's only one locomotive in this big box, so I wonder how big the box for the locomotive itself. But we'll see once we open it up. I have to be careful. I see some stuff over here. Oh, that's a sticker. It's the A from Accurascale, I guess. I already see a little postcard. Ooh, that's actually fancy. Thank you for your purchase. Happy modeling, the Accurascale team. And this is actually really neat. I mean, this is the picture, as you can see. And then on the back, it's full of autographs, which is great if you ask me. This is the first time that I've seen something like this in a box, not gonna lie. It's not really something that really happens over here, I guess, in the Netherlands, where I'm living. All right, let's open up the box. Really carefully. Oh, there we go. And I guess this is just my filling information. Yeah, this is basically just the order itself, so we're not gonna do anything with that right now. All right, so we have a lot of. Oh, I'm just gonna throw it on the ground. Look at that box. Ooh, this is a very nice looking box. I'm just gonna show you guys the back right now because I'm taking it out. Yes, this is a very big box. This is an Intercity Swallow livery, as you can see over here. It's one of my favorite liveries of the British Railways, not gonna lie. So I needed to have one of these. I have two more DRS ones incoming. I'm not gonna go into a full review of the locomotive right now. I might do another video on that if people want to see that. Just put it down in the comment section, I guess. This is just very nice plastic, very sturdy. This is a very big box, a very nice box. There's even a little logo on there, which is kind of nice. Man, this is a big box. Not gonna lie. Let's see how it looks inside. Come on. All right. You must read the instructions on the reverse of this card before you're operating your model. All right. So there's a little instruction thingy coming with your locomotive before you're gonna do anything with it. I don't know what this has to do, but what we're gonna do with that, but we'll see about that. And there's a nice little thing with all the key functions. I have to set it up. I will actually drive around with this thing a little bit later on in the video, so if you want to see that, you can just skip to that. There is a nice foam cover over here, so let's see what we get once we reveal this. And then we get another plastic box, I guess. This thing is pretty well packaged, not gonna lie. A little bit like Märklin and stuff like that, I have to say. This box is so heavy, there is just a lot of foam in here. I don't think there is anything behind here, to be honest, because I think everything is in this package over here, which is kind of nice. But this thing looks pretty amazing, and I already see there's a lot of stuff that still needs to be put on frame, but that's fine. It's fine. You probably only want to decorate one side anyway, I guess, unless you don't want to drive with it. Oh, normally I never. Oh, you even have like nameplates over here. I don't know if these are like additional nameplates for something, like for if you lose some that are on there. These are all like the little attachments you can still put on there, which is kind of nice, I'm not gonna lie. I need to get rid of a lot of stuff over here because piling up. I'm just gonna set this over here and so we're gonna take a locomotive out and let's see. I think it's which side is it that we have to take out? No wait, it's over here on the top. So this is an Accurascale locomotive, which is 1 on 73 or something like that. It's a little bit bigger than HO, but it does run on HO scale track, which is what I have. Now look at this beautiful bulky. Oh, this really feels like 30. And oh, this has quite a bit of weight to it. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, you can definitely see like a lot of details in the front are still missing at the moment. It does spring buffers, which is important, according to one of my friends. So, but yeah, this is the first Class 37 that I have from Accurascale, and it's actually my first Class 37 in life because you know I only seen them in real life in Scotland when I was on the trip, but I never really bothered to get one in model, I guess, until recently. But the model, the details on this model are pretty good. Like, look at the little springs and like the boogies and stuff like that. It is so well detailed. This looks really good. Not gonna lie. So yeah, that's the first Class 37 that I have. I have 2 more coming. Both are DRS, and this is the only one that is non-DRS, I guess. It's actually British Rail. Doors can't open. That's a little bit unfortunate. I know you can also buy like crew for the train right now. I might actually do that because having someone drive this train, there is no driver in the cabs at the moment, as far as I can see. But seeing someone driving the trains is actually pretty good, and I actually like what I did over here with the ventilation thingy. It looks really good. All right, so it's time to give it a little bit of a test run, which we'll do on my kitchen table because you know your kitchen table is the best place to actually have a model train layout. Trust me. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright, it actually took me a little bit longer to record this part of the video because things happened and, you know, got busy with all the stuff. But we're at the kitchen table over here and you can probably notice that my voice is a little bit different right now because I'm just using the phone with a mic in there, so not my real good mic or PC and stuff like that, so... But yeah, look at that. There's a nice little doodlebug, as you can see. But you're of course not there for that thing. So let's see if we can change that. Look at that thing. Isn't it beautiful, huh? The autofocus is a little bit off on my new camera. Or phone rather, because I'm using my phone to record this. It's a Samsung S23 Ultra, so it should have a fairly good camera on it, so we'll see about that. But let's look at this little locomotive for a little bit, shall we? First of all, we do have sound in this thing because I have the AC Vox sound version, and I already checked the sound myself. It's actually pretty beautiful. So let's turn on the sound right now. And that's pretty much just a startup sequence of the sound at the moment. I don't have all the sounds installed yet because I have to do it on my phone. I'm using a Z21 from Fleischmann or Roku, whatever brand you have it from, I guess. I have it from Fleischmann because I generally have like N-scale trains, even though you might think I have HO scale trains. I also have those, but you know, my main is N-scale. So, and Dross are not over here, they're at my parents' place, so... Alright, so let's put on the lights, because why not? Takes a little bit of time, and even with switching directions, you can even hear the little beep. There is two different horns, low and high, and then there is also a two-tone. Just two at once. Not really a two-tone, but you know. Alright, let's see if we can drive a little bit with this thing and show off some real driving sounds. So the 128 steps for braking is also very nice and very smooth, I have to say. There is a little bit of a downside to this model though, and I'll show you right now, because for me it's actually a little bit of a downside, because I'll show you. So as you can see over here, there are those little sending devices that are everywhere between like the inner like bogies or trucks, whatever you want to call them. The problem is they're pretty low to like the top of the track, so it is very often that they will actually hit like something like a switch or a point, which is kind of annoying, and I wonder how well they will hold up, to be honest. The coupler, the The coaches are actually Hornby, so the Hornby coupler is a little bit lower than the ones from Accurascale, I guess, so there's a little bit of a high difference, but the coupler still works. It doesn't really detach, for me at least. I don't know if that's gonna be different if you have any like inclines or anything. I bet that like the other like coaches, the Mark IIs from Accurascale themselves are probably on a better coupler height than these things over here. And yes, they're all first class because, you know, they were cheap and I just wanted an intercity train, I guess, so. Except for the brake fan. The brake fan is second class. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and you know, maybe I'll make more of these. Let me know if you're interested in it. Alright, see you later. Goodbye.